Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into a topic that is often misunderstood: on-demand facilities management. We'll uncover how this unique type of contractor service can do more than just handle high-cost reactive maintenance tasks. Stay tuned as we uncover how on-demand facilities management can augment your internal team, provide flexible, trained professionals on demand, and even enhance your corporate culture. Now let's dive in. Today we're exploring the world of on-demand facilities management. This unique type of outside contractor service focuses on providing facilities management support in temporary and unusual situations. Despite being often linked with high-cost reactive maintenance tasks, it offers a host of benefits to consider. One significant advantage of on-demand facilities management is the ability to augment a lean internal team. As maintenance technology continues to evolve, many facilities find it easier to transition from reactive maintenance to preventive maintenance, and ultimately to predictive maintenance. This last one, predictive maintenance, is the most cost-efficient approach when executed correctly. But let's face it, even with a strong focus on preventing and predicting maintenance issues, emergencies and unforeseen circumstances are bound to occur. Industry standards suggest aiming for 20% reactive maintenance, but in reality, most facilities spend more like 1/3 to nearly 1/2 of their resources on reactive maintenance tasks. This is where on-demand facilities management shines. It can help rapidly boost your maintenance team to deal with these situations, allowing your core staff to focus on their daily priorities. Another advantage of on-demand facilities management is access to flexible, trained professionals. According to Adecco, over 60% of companies are struggling to fill skilled trade positions, and nearly 3/4 of all businesses expect to face the same problem in the future. As the facility management industry grapples with this labor shortage and a growing skills gap, immediate access to trained maintenance technicians becomes more crucial. Building a relationship with an on-demand facilities management provider can help fill these gaps in unplanned or emergency situations. Finally, on-demand facilities management can also help improve corporate culture. While most maintenance technicians understand that they'll have to handle a certain level of reactive or emergency maintenance tasks, an overload of these tasks can lead to increased stress and job dissatisfaction in the long run. For instance, if a facility is transitioning towards preventive and predictive maintenance systems, management may promise technicians training in high-skilled tasks like data analytics. However, if these technicians are consistently being pulled off these tasks to handle emergencies, it could negatively impact employee morale and trust in management. An on-demand partner could take up some of this load, giving you the opportunity to truly invest in your in-house maintenance team. That brings us to the end of our discussion on on-demand facilities management. We've learned how it can augment your internal team, provide access to flexible, trained professionals, and even enhance your corporate culture. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about UpKeep and how we can help your maintenance and operations teams, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.